Welcome back. POW Week 3. Use resources to find the average life expectancy of men and women living in the United States. Show your answer in years, months, days, and weeks. Good luck with that. Now some notes I'd like you to take on multiplying and dividing fractions. We're going to work on dividing mixed numbers. And I'd like you to take notes on this while I'm doing this. Obviously, you can go back through the video if you need to. Say we have 3 2/3 divided by 2 1/5. Our first step is to make both into what? We went over this in class. Improper fractions, you're right. Some of you might say, I already know how to do this. Well, then writing it down will reinforce it. So our first step is make them improper. To do that, we do 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 plus 2 over the original denominator 3. This gives us 9 plus 2, or 11 over 3 for our first fraction. Our second fraction, 2 times 5 plus 1 over our original denominator for the second fraction, 5. Our divide symbol stays in the middle. Now, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5. Now, when we divide fractions, we want to take the reciprocal of the second one and multiply. So our second step is to take the reciprocal of the second fraction Then our third step, change to multiply. So we have 11 over 3 times 5 over 11. We took the reciprocal of our second fraction by flipping it upside down, and now we change from divide to multiply. Our next step, this is our third step, sorry. Our next step is to try to diagonally reduce. Reduce diagonally if possible. That's our fourth step already. So this is a lot of steps even though it's fractions. Just as difficult as algebra. So we're going to reduce these two terms right here. 11 and 11 are the same, so we can cross them out. Now we can multiply the numerators. 1 times 5 is 5. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. So our last step is to multiply numerators. I'm going to abbreviate because my box is small. Numerators. I'll just write it out. And then multiply denominators. See if I can squeeze that in there. Almost. So that's our fifth step. And this is our answer here. But wait, what do we have to do? Can we leave the answer in an improper fraction? No. So we have one more step, is that to make improper change back into a mixed number. Let's show that down below. 5/3. To change it, the 3 becomes the divisor, the 5 becomes the dividend. 3 goes into 5 one time, we put a 3 here. We subtract, 5 take away 3 is 2. Remainder over divisor, 1 2/3 is my final answer. All right, take good notes on that. Have a good day.